Although we can do the linear relationship questions by hand, it's sometimes quite nice to check it on the graphics calculator. So I'm going to show you how you can enter the data. You go Stat, into Edit, and type your information into two lists. This is the example 1 on page 14 of the Year 11 Methods textbooks. Once we've got the data in and make sure the lists have the same number in each, we then need to go to Stat Plot. All of them are off at the moment, so we're going to turn the first one on, press enter so it goes dark, and it's going to do us a scatter plot of list 1 and list 2. If you did want to change which list it's in, they're above the numbers in blue, so you'd press second and that number. And we want the window to be nice, so in the example it goes from 0 to 4 and 0 to 15 on the y-axis. So we could do that, 0 to, well, let's go a little bit further, let's go to 5, and we can see there's a line every 1, and 0 up to 15 going up by 5 on the y-axis in that example. And if we press graph, then there's the dots. We could also go zoom stat, which is like a little quick way of doing it, and that will also do that for us. Now if we want to put that line through that, where we go back into stat, across to calculate and lin reg, number 4, again it's X list is list 1, Y list is list 2, and there's only one of each, so we don't need to worry about that, and we want to store that regression equation. So the best thing to do for that is above F4. So to get that is alpha F4, some quick keys. There's Y1. And what that will do is it will dump the regression equation into Y1. We now press calculate. And we can see there's no R squared. So that's been turned off, and it is when the defaults get reset. So we just need to go back into mode. And we don't have to do this once. We have to turn stat diagnostics on. And once that's done once, it will then continually be done. So if I just press enter again, it will do the last thing, and it's a perfect match. The equation is now in y equals, and there's the regression line done for you. So hopefully you found that useful. Thanks for watching.